If you're new here, hi, my name is Keni and welcome to my POV on life. Please stay a while. You're gonna love it here, I promise. It's day 3 in Cabo. Y'all don't even understand the excitement I have to do our next excursion. Because I know gimbal. The gimbal yells at me all the time. I'm sorry, I'm trying to do better. But guys, we're literally going whale watching today. Whale? Are you kidding? A whole whale? Like a whale though? Yeah. I'm super excited. Like, I don't know. I really might cry because it's not every day you get to see a whale, so.
Travel provided by Wheels Up Travel, Tamika Sanders, owner.
Right now we are waiting on the cab to come, or not the cab, the whatever it's called. And you guys are coming along with us. Confusing the gimbal. You're confused. Alto tu coche. Alto.
Should have the coronavirus
Wait, let me see. Can you open it up?
There's 2 in there.
They said we in they city. I just know the street food here eats down.
I got you.
Oh shoot.
You can't get the shot.
Uh-oh. Oh, 440 Mario.
Right here.
Thank you. Whew, we made it. I smell the ocean. Oh God. What?
Goofy ass just walked in.
I didn't know. Oh, the fuck. Right. I said we're late. No. We shouldn't. Oh, I was like, is it me or is this bouncing?
Right, it is.
Okay, I was like, hold on.
I'm sure like, what the
I said, excuse me? Oh, this one, okay. Oh boy. Oh, okay.
Got it.
Come on, toots.
Like, tighten your cord.
Right. I was like, engage those lats.
We're off
To see. Yeah, that's what I had. Okay. We're off to see the whales. I'm excited.
no te brinco.
Thing is, there's more shops like the further you go down.
Yeah.
This is right.
But that one.
Well, we finished. Ow, sorry.
I was like, you can't go straight.
Right.
I pay you $9. Because see, there's restaurants here and then all the way over there is a restaurant. But here's Senior Frogs. We want to go.
We've got Ozempic. Please. They said that. Hello. Oh, no, thank you.
No, thank you.
I just got one. I mean, I'd get another, but. All right, y'all. We just finished the Humpback Whale tour, and now we are just kind of walking around, exploring the plaza, looking for food. But it was wonderful. I'm gonna put in some clips of what happened. I did get a little sick, but I got me some jewelry, you know, to add to the pieces. I got new bracelets and necklaces this time around. I've been saying I need to add to my stack, so yeah, had to get it. One thing about me, I'm gonna spend some money on some jewelry, boo. Like, it's no second thoughts. Yes, give it to me. Thank you. Thank you. Me too.